Hello, a warm welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today is the Ajio haul part 2. Like in the first haul, I have told you that, wait, you have checked the first haul, right? If you haven't yet checked the first haul, then click on this link and check the first haul, then jump to this. And if you have already checked the first haul, then yeah, let's just continue over here. So in the first haul, I have told you that there are some products that are not yet delivered, and I will surely upload another video after receiving the delivery of all these products. So today is the day when I am uploading this video, when I have received all the products, and let me just show you all the products, like without wasting much time, let me just show you the products. I have some of the products I have already told you in that haul, and let me show you all the other products that I have in this haul today. So like the previous haul, and I have even told you in the previous haul that I have still left some stuffs which I have bought for my nephew, and let me just show you them at first. So let me just start with his products. So starting with his products, the first product that I have is this one. This is a t-shirt for him in the size 6 to 7 years. So this is from the brand Ajio, and the price is $6.99. Here age is written, like this is a athletic kind of t-shirt, a green, medium green is the color of this t-shirt, and this do have a white sleeve. Like I have shown you in that haul, a light green sort of t-shirt with the sleeves was sky color, and this one is medium green color with white sleeves. Okay, the print is different. The brand, I don't remember the brand of that, but I think the brand is also different. And yeah, this is how it looks. This looks great. This gives the fitting great, and the material is even great, like 100% cotton. And this is, yeah, indeed a nice product. Then I have another t-shirt for him, which is this one. This is how the t-shirt looks. I have shown you in that haul a sleeveless t-shirt, and this is another sleeveless t-shirt. This is in the color blue, ultramarine blue, light ultramarine blue, and this do have navy blue borders with it. This is basically a sleeveless everyday wear t-shirt with good wave sand vibes written and terrain written. So this is from the brand Indian Terrain, and size is 6 to 7 years. The size is great, the fittings is even good, like the other t-shirt which I have already shown you. So this is even a great t-shirt, and the price here is written, let me just tell you the price, $4.99. However, discounts are there. So yeah, this is how the t-shirt look, and the back is like this. This is how it looks. Next, I have a trouser pant for him. This is in the color grey, like yeah, grey, and the previous one that I have shown you was in the color grey but with yellow tones to it, and this is grey with black tones to it, and here we are getting black border, and we are getting this kind of jogger fitting legs, and the length is quite good. Let me tell you the size of this is 7 to 8 years. The price is 349 rupees. However, a tag was not there in that one. How much I can remember, a tag was not there in that one, but in this one there is a tag we are getting. And yeah, this is how it looks. It do have pockets, and 05 is written over here. So this is how it looks, and the back part is like this. This do have strings over here, and the same pants like this I have over here, a blue colored one with white borders and 10 written from the same brand, and the size is also same. So this is how it looks. So we have got three pants of the same pattern, like from the same brand, same pants, but colors are different. I have got 3 for him. So yeah, this is how they look, and yeah, everything is same, like this kind of legs and everything is same. So keeping this aside, that's it with his products. Now let me start with my product. So let me start with the one I am wearing right now. This is the one I am wearing. This is a rayon top with, you can see the neck of this. This have neck over here, and the thing, this gives a nice look, like this to have this kind of collar, a round neck, not a U neck, which not look that much good in my eyes, but this to have a round neck with this neck. And this do have 3/4 sleeves, nice length of the sleeves, fitting is nice, the material is so soft, like a buttery soft rayon material, and everything is good with this top. And this is from the brand Ajio. This will like you can pair it up with anything you want, like jeans, or you can even wear it with skirts and all. So this is how it looks. The price is written $9.99, but a discount was there, and this was even available in many colors. However, the stock of this was limited. Even I thought of buying another color, but turquoise color, but it wasn't available at that time. I don't know about this time, but it wasn't available. So yeah, this is how it looks, and I really love this one out. The next top that I have is this one, a red top. A red off-shoulder top. I have shown you in that haul a yellow one which I was wearing that time, and this is the red version of that. At that time only I told you that I have even bought a red color. So this is it, and this is the sleeve, the same sleeve, same top, off-shoulder one, but the color is different and the prints are different. This do have lily tulip sort of prints, and that one had bobby prints, like white and black bobby prints, and this do have pink tulip sort of prints. So that's the thing, and the material is same, both are lycra, and the price is $6.99. That was also for $6.99. Discounts are there obviously, and this is how it looks. A baggy fitting with a glass sleeves, a baggish like a volume glass sleeves, and a baggy fitting. The next top that I have is this one. I really love this top out. I really like this top out. This is a knitted top, a maroon colored with glass sleeves, more than glass sleeves, like till the elbow, the length of the sleeves. It's with a volume sort of thing and a baggy sort of fitting. Full knitted top with some shimmery zari sort of thing with it, and this gives a nice fitting, nice party look. And yeah, the brand is fake and the price here is written $9.99. However, you will get discounts, and the fittings, oh my god, the fittings is really great. Even this looks good as a party wear. You can surely wear it as a party wear, even as a casual everyday wear. So this was the top, and the cream color was also there. I really love this top. Who knows that I will buy the cream color even or not. I really like this top out, the cream. I think I will be buying the cream one. I have to just check. So this was the top. This is how it looks. And the material is nice, soft material, and everything is good with this top. The next top that I have is this one. This one is a top like red. The red version of this top I have shown you, and this is the mustard yellow version of that top. In that haul only I have told you that I have bought a mustard yellow color of that top, and this is it with rose prints, 3/4 sleeves tied up like strings with it, and this do have this pleats sort of thing in the neck, and do have threads with tassel at the end. This gives the kurti kind of fit, as I have told you in that video also. White fabric, roses are printed in white fabric, and everything is good. This is, the material is rayon, and yeah, everything is good with this top. And the price here is written $5.99. However, you will get discounts obviously. And this is how it looks. The overall thing is really great. A soft, buttery soft rayon top for everyday wear, casual look. The next top that I have is this one. This is a peach colored top with cherries printed with a round neck and with full sleeves with the elasticated band at the end of the sleeves. Even at the end of this top it has elasticated band. This gives a crop top fitting, and the material is nice. The material is rayon. The print is good, like a cherries printed. Even a white color was I think also available in the website. And everything is good with this. This will have a button at the back, and they have provided an extra button with this. And altogether, this do looks a nice casual look for a everyday wear. And even for if you are going somewhere, you can wear this surely. And this do gives a nice look, nice fittings. Overall, the color is even nice. So that's how it looks. And the price over here is written $6.99. However, you will get discounts obviously. And the thing is like this. I really like this top even. So that's all about today's video, the second part of the Ajio haul, and here I end up with all the products that I have bought at that time. And so yeah, that's all about this. And if you like this video, then do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe button if you haven't done it yet. So I don't want to say, like, I don't want to waste much time. So that's all about this, and let's meet in the next video.